Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hamza, your AI instructor, here to make your digital life easier and more efficient. Today we're diving into using GPT in Google Sheets. Yes, you heard that right. We'll go through the process to get this powerful AI tool working for you. So let's get started. Open your Google Sheets. We'll need to add the GPT extension. Head over to the top menu and click on Extensions. From the drop-down, select Add-ons and then Get Add-ons. In the Add-ons marketplace, search for GPT for Sheets. Once you find it, click on it and hit Install. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Great. Now that we have the GPT extension installed, let's see it in action. Imagine you're working on a project and need to generate text based on some data. Here's how you can use GPT to do that. Use formulas just like any other Google Sheets function. Let's go through a few examples. Use GPT, write a product description for a smartwatch with the following features. A2. Replace A2 with the cell reference that contains your features. GPT generates a detailed product description based on the features you provided. It's that simple. I hope you found this guide useful and that it inspires you to integrate GPT into your Google Sheets workflow. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.